Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing a vlog day. I think we're going to be going to the beach and doing other things, and I'm just going to take y'all around with me. Before we get into this video, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Let's go.
My cousins and my niece are working so hard. It's division of labor. You have others who are masters with conditioners and others who are masters on the body lotion and soap. And then the toothbrush and toothpaste will be coming later. And this is in Kokrobite, outside Accra in Ghana. And the background, the lazy men are playing while the hard-working ladies are putting food on the table.
The minute we got to my uncle's place, he just put us to work. We were doing a 9-to-5 shift, unpaid work. I was complaining that the conditions were worse than Amazon, but we all know that there's no worse workplace than Amazon. And also, we have a plus side of it.
But the beauty about this job is they have this perfect view of the ocean.
The reason why we were all laughing is because I gave my uncle strict instructions, which were not to move the camera, not to talk, not to breathe. You see, he's doing the most, but I appreciate you. Love you, dude.
And today on menu we have pizza, and we have 3 different kinds. Pepperoni pizza, cheese pizza, and you have this they call Kelewele pizza, which is the best pizza I've had in this area.
When my uncles finally decided to feed us, we got our energies up and we started heading to the beach. Oh, we are currently making our way to the beach. The Body Beach. Oh, no one wants to be featured in this video, which is fine. Oh, this girl over here. Sorry, I can't see who you are. I can only hear your voice. And there's a car coming. Oh, the scenery here is absolutely phenomenal. Outstanding. It's a 10-10 view. Where I'm walking, let me quickly show you. Oh, there's a car coming again. Oh, human. No, it was a plane. So I'm gonna show you the view that I'm seeing right here. I didn't even see you there.
Oh, let's go fly a kite up to the highest height. Let's go fly a kite and send it soaring up through the atmosphere, up where the air is clear. Oh, let's go fly a kite.
In 5, 4, 3, 2.
Everybody's just talking at me. Everybody's trying to get in my head. I wanna listen to my own heart talking. I wanna listen to myself instead. Would you ever lose yourself and never get home? I would never get on me, never let go. Should never seem to get on it and I'll never let go. Would you ever not try? Would you ever not stop? I'm not gonna stop, that's who I am. To spend an I'm gonna mean what I said. You gonna come on in with you. What I said, bet on it, bet on it, bet on it. Then I turned around and I saw a kid climbing up a tree, and I was so impressed. The way he made it look so easy, I thought, let me give it a try. Right, so I'm gonna try and attempt to do what he did over there and climb the tree.
You gotta try.
I don't know what shoes or not.
You can't have shoes on. You need your feet. No, it's okay. It's okay, yeah. nail.
The end of the day.
Yeah.
Oh, pepperoni. Thank you. Oh, that's
No, that's
pepperoni.
tomato.
Never mind.
I'm gonna take that one.
Alright, thank you guys for making it to the end of my video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Let's go!